time to start a mini project here. I got my partner in crime, worker man Carson. He's got his hard hat on. So the project for today is the pump on my pressure washer quit working. So we are going to replace this pump with a new one. Ready to get to it?
Yeah.
Let's get to it. All right. All right. Okay, so here's the box. Little packing slip there. Paper. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Yeah, you can use that piece. So inside here there is a notch there, a slot. So what that tells me is the shaft for this motor coming to the pump is going to have a key. So I believe all it's going to be necessary is just to line the shaft up on that key, bolt it in place, and we should be ready to go. It looks like the pumps match. So oh man, those are tight. Put a little torque on it. Archimedes said with a big enough lever and a fulcrum on which to stand, he could move the earth. Got it. Okay, so we got the key right there. Let's line the shaft up to that key. Okay. Okay. That was easy enough. It's over there. That. Okay, now I'm going to put the nozzle for the inlet, or excuse me, the outlet pipe. First, I'm going to put some Teflon tape here. Wrap it around 3 or 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go wrap in the direction of the thread so that when you screw this on, it doesn't unravel the Teflon. You put it in the opposite direction of the thread. When you go to thread it, the pipe, it will unravel the Teflon, which would be a bad thing. Do not want that. Okay, well, I think we're ready to give her a go to see how this baby works. See if this sucker will crank up here. Well, that worked pretty good once we got the old pump off. It took a little while to get that off, and this surface cleaner works really well. I think this pressure washer is rated at about 3,100 PSI, and it cleaned everything really well except for the spot where my son literally 15 minutes ago spilt some oil when he was putting oil in his truck. So other than that, surface cleaner worked great. So it's time to get Amy out here to get to work. But Titus 3:5 says this: He saved us, not because of works done by us in righteousness, but by the washing of regeneration and renewal by the Holy Spirit. See ya.